Hello everyone. Today, much part of the world is experiencing extreme temperature and intense heat waves. One of the major reasons behind these extreme events is a weather phenomena known as heat dome. So, in this video, we will explore what a heat dome is, how it forms, and why it's affecting so many parts of the world. What is heat dome? Heat dome is a weather phenomena. It occurs when hot air is trapped near the Earth's surface over a large area. In this weather phenomena, a strong high pressure system acts like a lid over the atmosphere, trapping hot air near the Earth's surface. High atmospheric pressure pushes air down, causing it to heat up as it is compressed. High pressure system behaves like an invisible dome, trapping hot air underneath and preventing cooler air from moving in. That's why it is called dome. You can simply understand the heat dome by this picture. So there is a high strong pressure system between the two low pressure system. So this high pressure system trap the hot air, and this hot air cannot escape this high pressure system, which ultimately leads to high temperature and extreme heat waves in this region. These are the effects of heat dome: dehydration, heat stroke, heat exhaustion can cause death, drought, drying rivers and lakes, crop damage, wildlife deaths, forest fires, roads may buckle, railway tracks can bend, power demand increase, blackout becomes more likely. Climate change is also responsible for heat dome. Due to climate change, the frequency of a heat dome has increased, and due to climate change, heat domes become more hotter. They may last longer. Extreme heat events become more frequent. And prevention. See, heat dome can't be prevented because it's a natural weather phenomena. However, we can reduce the impact of heat dome by adopting several measures. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, adopt renewable energy like solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, reduce burning of coal, oil, natural gas, improve energy efficiency, improve heat preparedness, develop early warning system, educate people about heat safety, open cooling centers. Conservation. Protect rivers, lakes, wetlands, conserve water, reduce deforestation. How to stay safe in heat dome? Drink plenty of water, stay indoors during the hottest hours, recognize symptoms of heat stroke, and seek emergency help immediately. If someone becomes confused, stop sweating, and loses consciousness. Thank you very much. Stay safe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.